I have to update some of this water system so that it can handle pressure and not pop off. It's on a timer. Okay, I forgot to show all of the stuff when it was done and watered in. All right, we'll see. Okay. Okay, you know what day it is, or if you don't, I'm gonna let you guess in the comments. Anyway, so today I have to clean up the garden beds for my kids' school. And if you notice, they're pretty rough looking. There's some that just kind of got laid in here. Some of them are outgrowing the idea of the pots. And let's see if I can show you all this. So I gotta freshen these things up. And let's see what else we got here. And if you notice, the beds are not looking too bad right now. Let me see even overall look. Yeah, so they're not too bad right now, but I do need to change out some of the pansies that are over there since they're more cool weather. The kale looks okay still so far, and so let's get going. Worm poop, or castings, I guess, nice way to call it. And it stinks really bad, so I have to put it in a container that has a cap. Okay, everything was so dry that I went ahead and turned on the sprinklers to get everything really wet before I continue to plant. So some of the stuff is just soaking. Ooh, it looks rough. See how it goes in a couple days. I know, it's so funny. You have the shake. Mmm. Yeah, yeah. In fact, take a picture of me drinking her shake and then send it to her. Tell her Miss Kirsten took it. And I loved it. Bye. Thank you for bringing me a delicious drink. I have to update some of this water system so that it can handle pressure and not pop off. It's on a timer and it is a light timer. So in the morning when it sees the light on dawn, it comes on for 15 minutes. Anyway, I'm going to update some of these things to a better male hose thread and things like that. Okay. Okay, I forgot to show all of the stuff when it was done and watered in. I might want go ahead and move one of those sweet potatoes back further, and how it's going to be replaced slowly with dianthus. And it's mostly so that the things that are in color and pretty right now will stay there until the dianthus take over, and then I'll move that stuff again. But everything should be ready. That one looks a little rough, but it'll fill in. Ready for summer, which is the big terribleness here. But some great summer things. The listen might die out, the impatient might die out, we'll see. But it should be not so bad. Okay. And then this one. All right. We'll see. Okay. Bye-bye.